Hey everybody, this is Jamin, Jamie from Jamin Leather. Just wanted to say hello to everybody, and I want to share with you a little bit about who's Jamin Leather. Jamin Leather's been around since 1979. We've been selling leather goods ever since then. We've been selling at craft shows, state fairs, and we had several stores in the New York and Vermont area in the 80s and the 90s. And then we moved to Myrtle Beach in 97, and we've been here ever since. We've been selling leather goods to our local customers and our biker clubs all over the area. And we've been catering to the country ever since 95 because we were on the internet in 95 before anybody else was actually doing what we do. We had over 90 pages of product on our website in 1995. That was actually pretty incredible. So we were the first online leather retailer. So just so you know, that was just a little bit of history about Jamin Leather. We've been designing, manufacturing, and selling leather goods since 1979. Matter of fact, I started a little bit earlier than 79, but anyway, we just have a lot to share with you. So you can see some of the stuff that's unique, only Jamin Leather has. Here's an example of one of my many new styles that we sell and we made ourselves. We actually designed it. I designed some of the product that we actually offer. And I want to make sure that you take advantage of some of the unique exclusive products only available at Jamin Leather. You'll see things, not to mention prices, that no one else has. And we're here for you. If you have any questions, feel free to call us Monday through Saturday, 10 to 6. We're here for you. We'll answer the phone, and some of the questions that you have, if you have some technical questions, we can answer those too. Right there. Mr. Know-It-All.